Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I will show you how you can change your recovery email in Google account. So let's start this video. First go to your Gmail application and then click on your Google profile, which is on the top right corner of the screen. Now click on Google account, swipe right and then click on security. Scroll down and then click on recovery email. Now click on continue and give your PIN. After giving your PIN, you can now change your recovery email. After that, you have to click on verify and you will be sent with a 6 verification code. After you have done with the verification, you will now be able to change your recovery email. That's it for the video. I hope this video will help you a lot. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel.